Hey guys, I hope you're having a great weekend. I just wanted to clarify a little bit what this project is. And so ultimately, you are writing a case study paper that you will present. And so the first step, you've been assigned teams, and so your next task is to select the case that you will use for your case study. The next thing after that, you will decide how you're going to work together and who's responsible for what. And so the more detail that you provide in that document, the better off your team will be. Once you've done that, your next step is to create an outline, and I'll give you some guidance on the level of detail for that outline. But it's important to put in a lot of work for that outline. If you do this well, the paper will ultimately write itself. And so I want you to be thinking about all the content that you want to include, and I encourage you to use this process for everything that you write in this program. Once your outline is done, then you'll continue on and develop that paper. You'll submit a draft to turn it in. And then once you submit the very final version of your paper, you will create a narrated PowerPoint presentation about your case study. I want to make sure that you pay special attention to page 371 in the document that's posted in the week 2 content. That document gives you the 6 sections that need to be included in part 2 of your case study paper. So those are also the 6 sections that you're going to describe and present in your narrated PowerPoint presentation. And the reason you're doing a narrated PowerPoint presentation is because we aren't live. We do everything asynchronously. And so you're kind of pretending that you're presenting the information to me and the board of directors for the organization. And then you'll also want to create a handout that you would give to us if we were really meeting in real life. If you have any questions about the process, please let me know. Have a great rest of your weekend.